Dear brothers and sisters, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to make dua in salah, saying what? O Allah, save me from all sin, and O Allah, save me for being in debt. That means from borrowing the money from other people. This hadith is being reported by Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anh in Bukhari hadith number 2397. One of the Sahabi asked, O Prophet of Allah, I have seen you in salah, you are making a dua that, O Allah, protect me from being in debt. That means from borrowing money from the people. Prophet said, yes, I do make dua. He said, why? Then the Prophet said, when a person in debt, when he owes the money to the people, he commit 2 more sins. The companion asked, O Prophet of Allah, what are those? Then the Prophet said, number 1, he will lie. Number 2, he will break promise. So dear brothers and sisters, remember that if a person is borrowing money and he owes the money to the people, he will end up lying and breaking promises. You will say, how? See, when a person in debt, has to return the money on a certain day. He will make, I will return this money in 4 days. And then he will not show up on 4th day. What happened? He made the promise, he broke the promise. And he lied. He knew that he won't be able to return the money in 4 days. Secondly, he will say that, dear brothers, I could not return the money on that day, the one I have promised, because my son got sick very seriously and I had to take him to the hospital. In reality, his son was alive and healthy and playing. What he did? He lied and he broke the promise. Dear brothers and sisters, do not borrow money unless it is absolutely necessary. Dear brothers and sisters, remember also, do not use credit card unless you have the means to pay 100% the amount on the credit card within 30 days. Because this will lead you to lie, it will lead you to break promises. Dear brothers and sisters, avoid borrowing money from the people. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi